Gina. So there's a sticker we have to remove. So we'll remove the sticker. So we remove sticker. So we'll remove that. And it is the second hand which is flowing, but is moving smoothly, but is not going tick tick. That is slowly working going. And it is the in the back. It is front. It is the steel in this, and back is the plastic. And this is the two bell and the hammer and the holder. This is the handle of that when you hand it now. And this is twin bell alarm clock of table. And it has legs in it. When you put stand, it will stand like this. And it is made in China. So this is the Shangri-La clock. And it is down is quartz, which is a crystal is connected with a motor or coils and chips. It has chips inside this movement. This is the of cover of battery. We put it one AA battery, 1.4 volts, and this is the setting the time compartment. This is the alarm time of compartment. This is on off switch. This is light button. Can you see this is yellow button is coming, yellow one. And if this is the bell and that hammer will ring that. Let's try it and see. Can you move this? Look. That is made by song. It is so loud in it. So, and it is a Shangri-La clock. And by your discover a back cover, and you will have the battery one only. And look, DC 1.5 volt. We AA battery. We have AA battery, not triple. Only AA battery. So we put on this, and it is of this Shangri-La clock. We look at this cover. How to put? You should put like this. And this is the made on China. And it cover with it is come with a black box. And it is I ordered in Amazon in this. So I ordered. So this is the Shangri-La clock. That's made of sound. And this is putting stand of it. So it will. If you put it, it will fall. You should take out of this alarm clock. So this is made of a screw. They are given 3 screws in there. And there in the cap it has. We'll talk about cap. In the cap it has this is the clip, and it is swatting. So switch in this. So there's a light button. And this is light button in this. So this quartz clock, and in the crystal it has gates and motors will firing of it. So this is on a switch that hammer will hit the bell. Can I show? And I will show the light. And I will do this. Even this one. And if you like my videos, thumbs up, subscribe at Automatis Technica. Bye.